Electric, emission-free and shared cars make life easier in cities like Paris. That pretty much sums up the initial idea of smart, which is more relevant than ever. Even after 2 decades of growing up, it still pays off to stick to some craziness and unconventional ways of thinking. I can't think of a better way to celebrate 20 years of fresh ideas than with some of the most radical ideas all put together in one exciting smart show car. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the smart forease and our new head of smart, Katrin Att.
Hi, Dieter.
Hi, Katrin. Great to have you with us on stage as the new head of Smart.
Thank you.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Feels awesome to join the Smart team in these exciting times.
These times are really exciting, I think. Smart is in the middle of a transformation to the first all-electric brand on the world, on the planet. So I would like to know what's first on your to-do list.
Well, Dieter, I think the first priority should be to increase the production of smart electric cars in order to meet the extremely high market demands.
Wow, I think that's a really good priority to have, and I think you're absolutely the right person to head this endeavor. So welcome, and thank you very much to be with us.
Thank you. Can't wait to get started.
Okay.
Thank you.
All the best.
Bye.
Take care.
Thank you.
And now, let's stick to compact car news, but size it up a little bit. Coming up are some exciting world premieres from Mercedes-Benz.